are going to unbox an inflatable kayak. After trying my brother-in-law's inflatable boat, the dinghy, I got inspired to get one myself. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna open this box. Oop. It's an inflatable kayak that I got from Walmart. It retails for $217, but it was on sale for $138. So we're gonna open it up and pump it up and hopefully try it, but it will be on the next video. Backpack. Yeah, so this is the backpack, and it's also the seat. It's a backpack and it's also the seat. So this is where you carry this boat. Okay. Then we're gonna open it up. Okay. So it pumps when you pull and it pumps when you push. So we'll see how it works. Gonna pump it now and see how fast it can pump. Okay, so we'll do. Oops. Oops. Wait. What am I doing wrong? Oh, we're on the. That was backwards.
Oh,
it
no!
Was sucking. Hey, so it's something there. Okay, so now I'm on the inflate side. Duh.
A few moments later.
Okay, now it's all pumped up, so we're gonna put the accessories on. We're gonna put the seat. The seat on. Just tighten it like that. Like that. Now we got the seat. Okay, now we put this on. This is one of the things where you need to put you can put your things in and lock it up like that. And it is together. There you go. That's it. That is our kayak. Now we're gonna put the paddle together. We are almost done with it. So paddle is on the heavy side though. Make sure they're all facing the same. Okay. Okay, we are ready for some serious kayaking. So, according to the instructions, when you have the boat on the water and you got water here, you put your butt like this. Boat stabilizes or don't move anymore, and then slowly inch your legs inside, and then we are ready. And we got our paddles. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. So we are ready, ladies and gentlemen. I am ready for some kayaking, and the next video will be on the water. We will be taking this to the water tomorrow. Hey. Now it is ready. It's complete. I got all my fishing gears in here. Got my tackle box where all my hooks and baits are in, and then this is my cooler, lunch box, my crate, got my fishing pole, and I got my pump in case I I lose air, and got my paddle here. So I am ready. I am ready to go kayak fishing.